Hi friends, welcome to my channel. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வீடியோ பார்க்கறது அமேசான் ஃப்ளிப்கார்ட்டுடைய ரிபப்ளிக் டே சேலை பற்றி.
Today I am going to show how to check the price history, highest price, lowest price, and then current price and average price, everything using the price history app. This app is very. Now you can see I opened that Amazon application. I received a notification at 8 o'clock today. Lightning deals 8 p.m. midnight. I'll scroll down. There are so many deals are available in this. Okay, here I will select one product and then I will show you how to check the price history of the product. Just scroll up and then selecting the first deal. Watch. This watch looks nice. The current price, its lightning deal price is 279. It's showing it. I just scroll down, select share, and select keeping that in the price history. In price history, the current price is loading. The lowest price it was mentioned 119 rupees. That is a very lowest price. Current price is 279. If you bought at 279, definitely it will be a loss for you. That this product only once it came down up to 119 rupees. That is the lowest price in this history. That is, we can use it in the search it in the price history. See on the graph, we can able to check the date wise price list from the graph. The lowest price was done on June month. Like that we can able to do the price history. And then second one, I just trying to show the VU California Ultra 4K TV 55-inch. It's cost around 43,499, 43,500 rupees. I'm checking the same on the price history. This is 2020 model and Amazon this TV having SPI 1000 rupees 1500 rupees instant discount. See, selecting the price history, the current price is 43,499 and lowest is 25,999, 26,000 rupees. If you bought this for 43,999, okay, the price will be high, then it will be a loss for you. See, if you want to make the alert and then if the price comes down to 25,999, then you can able to make a alert in this application. Here, what you have to do, you have to select price alert. I will show you how to select the price alert in this. See, after selecting the price alert, it will open like this. Set a price alert, editor, current price is 43,999, target price, what's your target price you are expecting, enter make the target price, and then if you select the top editor option, you can able to edit the text number 25,999 here. See, after editing it, 26 25,999 and set an alert. What will happen if the price comes down to 25,999? Immediately you will get a notification from this price history. Go and purchase immediately. Now we will check the same price history using the Flipkart app. I'll open the Flipkart app. This is the main page. There are so many things are showing over there. First one is top orders, mobiles, electronic and accessories, TV appliances, beauty, food and more. And I am selecting the top deals, the first option. And then while scrolling down, there are so many products it's showing over there. Now I'm going to select one product to check the price history. Okay, first I'm going to see that LG washing machine fully automatic. Recently I bought the LG washing machine to my hometown. LG 6.5 kg 5 star is working perfectly. See 10,475 ratings, 4.3 stars. 15 current price is 15,290, and then same 50 of HDFC credit card 10%. Okay, maximum offer discount up to 1,500 rupees. And then if you have Flipkart Axis Bank credit card, you will get a 5% unlimited cashback. I'm checking the price history. See, the lowest price is 15,290, current price also 15,290, average price 15,940. This is the best deal. If you can purchase it, this is the lowest price. You will get it at the lowest price. If you are purchasing this, you purchased in the lowest price. Like that, whenever we purchasing some product, we have to check the price. And then now I'm going to show you the refrigerator. Refrigerator current price is 17,490. This also same 1,500 rupees cashback on HDFC credit card. Now I will show you the price history. This price history, current price is 17,490, lowest price is 17,090. Now currently 400 rupees more for the with the lowest price, and highest is 17,590. It's around 400 rupees only the different. If you want to purchase this is a single door refrigerator. You like this, you just go and purchase this. Otherwise, if you want to wait for that lowest price, set the price alert and then wait for the price come down and then purchase it. I will update that price history download link in the description. You can go on, copy the link and download that application and then check the price history how I showed you. Now I'm going to show Poco M2 Pro price history. And then price history is 12,999, highest price 17,999. During the only 2 days the price has gone up to 17,999, and rest of the days its average price is 14,000 13,000 rupees. Now the current price is the lowest price 12,000 to 12,999. If you want to purchase this also good phone, you can purchase it and enjoy. Hi friends, if you plan to purchase something, just check the price using the price history, highest price and lowest price, and then purchase it. And make sure that while purchasing this, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share to your friends. See you on the next video. Bye bye.